Hello, my name is Tim. Welcome to YouTube channel ML Pathway, and today I'm going to show you simple TensorFlow code to solve regression problem. We have Google Colab opened, so let's jump right in. First of all, import libraries. Import TensorFlow as TF, import matplotlib, pyplot as plt. Then we need some data. X equals to TF constant with the range from -10 to 100 with step 2. Y, it will be our linear function that we are going to predict. For example, it will be 3 plus 4 times x, and let's take a look to our data. Awesome, we have two tensors with shape 55 and dtype int 32. Now we can split our data to train and test dataset. X train equals to x 45, x test equals to x 45 to the rest, y train equals to y y test equals to y 45 to the rest. Okay. Split to train and test. Then x train. Now we can see the shape of our train and test data sets. X test, then y train, and len of y test. Awesome. Now we can visualize our data. Plt dot scatter x train, y train, comma color equals to blue, plt scatter x test, y test, color equals to red, and plt show. Here is our data on the plot, our training set and our test set. Now we can create model. Model equals to tf keras sequential, add first layer, TF, gears, layers, dense, with 50 neurons, and second layer, TF gears, layers, dense, with 1 neuron, because we are going to predict only one value. Then we need to compile the model, compile, loss equals to TF gears, losses, MAE, comma, optimizer equals to TF gears, optimizers, Adam with learning rate equals to 0.01, then matrix equals to TF gears, matrix, MAE, mean absolute error. Then we are going to fit our model, fit, because we have different dimensions in our tensors. We are going to expand one dimension to our X data. TF expand dims, X train, axis equals to 1, Y train, epochs equals to 50. So let's go. TF TensorFlow. Okay, we have our 15 epochs. Now we can predict data. Ypred equals to model, predict, expand, TF expand dims, X test, axis equals to 1. Then we can use our plotting code, just copy and paste it and add PLT, scatter, X test, Ypred, color equals to green. Let's go. Now, yes, awesome. We have very good matching of our test and train data. So let's evaluate our model. Evaluate, TF expand dims, X test. Axis equals to 1. Y test. What do we have? Awesome. Mean absolute error 1.8, and here we have mean absolute error about 1.2. That's very close result of evaluation of our model to training of our model. Now, what can we do next? We can visualize training curve. For these purposes, we create history variable, retrain our model, import pandas as pd data frame, history dot history dot plot, and here is the curve of our learning. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Glad to see you. Bye bye.